what I needed. Just what I needed.
Hello everyone, it's me Ivan, 8-year boy. Today I'll show you how to make part 15 of Super Mario. So yep, let's just start. Today we'll be adding the crouches. Last episode we added like these slopes, like what I'm showing you now. I'll show you, just like give you like an example of it. But yeah, it's not really interesting if you don't have really different like types of stuff. So yeah, let's get started for this episode. So today we're gonna be adding like the crouches key. Like for example, if I just place some blocks over here, we should be able to crouch under like you press the down key. So let's get started. First, go into the Mario Sprite and locate the define. What is it again? Handle keys jump, and then edit it and make it handle keys jump / crouch. And yeah, so now we just have to switch. So let's get started. Then before, drag if else in place of the if up of controls greater than 0, and duplicate that and check if up down of controls is greater than 0. Oh my god. Then check if falling is less than 2. Then we set player action to crouch. And then like after the if, put set jumping to 0, like that. Then in the else, put it if else, checking if player action equals crouch. Then set player action to the empty value. And then else, just drag the other blocks we removed from there. Now locate the define paint sprite. Like that. And now at the very top, before the if player action, you lose that. But checking if player action equals lose life. Player action equals crouch. And then switch costume to Mario Crouch. Yeah, Mario Crouch. And stop the script. Stop. And now if you just go and I didn't end up on this level. And if you press down, you can see like our new like sliding costume. Like that's a Mario sliding. And if you don't hold down, like now you have like a new sliding costume. And in return, you make small particles. But you're not supposed to like slide this far. But if you're like making like just like a sliding game like this, you don't, like, you want it to have lots of bugs like that, then you can like just keep it like this and make the snowboard and continue. Yeah, I don't think it will be any matters if you keep it. But now we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it, not just leave it. So yeah, we need to fix so that we can actually go under the block as you see right now. I didn't demonstrate that because actually, to be honest, I just feel like crouching all the way here. Like you just try to crouch up the hill, and then when you come down, you can't you can't actually crouch under because our hitbox in Mario didn't change yet. So we need to change the hitbox too. So define fixed collisions in direction. Like that. And now drag this stuff like inside fixed collision point. And now we need to like arrange it. Arrange it. First, drag out these 3 blocks, the bottom 3 blocks. Then put the bottom 3 blocks into the first like that, and the second like that, and the third like that, and put it back in. I know it's not gonna make a big change. We can still slide. We can't go through a tiny space gap. We can still go, but it's gonna help us. And now, put in the bottom 2 collisions. Check if not player action equals crouch. Then now I think you can test, and you go to whatever level is your testing level. Just go on your first level, whatever. And now we can, we can't go under a block quite, not too far probably. Yep. And if we let go under a block, we immediately teleport. Good. Now our things are working, so we can continue coding. And also, I found out problems. This block and this block I switched around. It's not supposed to be here. And now if you just press 5, and probably I'll parkour this. Now you can test it will still work as properly as before. No, not as before, but a bit different. That you can actually walk into a gap. Like that, see? Usually works the same, or you can check out any of my 1 to whatever episode, 15 project, 15 project to see the encoding and you compare it to yours, or just remix it. So yeah, let's keep actually doing this. Now we have our crouching. We need to limit how far we can do, as give us some options where under block. As now you can see we just get stuck under the not stuck but under the block, and then when we release the down key we just teleport up to the block. We also have to make the particles and all sorts. So yeah, let's continue coding. Locate to define handle keys, jump and crouch. And we need to make a new custom block named handle get up, or handle keys get and run without screen refresh. And then end the set player action to empty value in the else if player action equal to crouch. Put it under the handle keys get up and put like the block over here. Oops. And then under the handle keys, get up, set player action to empty value, set or rig Y to Y, fix collisions in direction 0 and 1, like that. Then check if solid is greater than 0. And if is, then set player action to crouch. Crouch, not couch. Crouch. And then set Y to a rig Y. Now we should test that we shouldn't get stuck in blocks. I know we can still do this ultra sliding move, but we're gonna fix it after this, or maybe after the particles. I know there's still like some bugs like with it, like now, like what you see. I just want to go fast. Now if you see, if we got under a block and wait. Oh, I almost forgot. Before we can test, at the top of the handle keys, left, right. If player like this, if set player action to walk, put it if else and put that in the else. Checking if player action equals crouch. And for the if, nothing for now. But later we're gonna add in the code crouch. And now everything should work well. Parkour. Maybe you should add some mushroom blocks too in this game, because they're just fun. Now, wait, did I even do it? Oh, you have to put the whole stack in there, and else, not just one. So yeah, another parkour. Just every mistake equals a parkour. So yeah, I'll try to stop doing mistakes. And now it should that work. Now we'll just keep going. Yeah, it just feels good, but you can't actually walk when you crouch now. So you just go at like the same speed, I think, yeah. So let's now do if we can, like, when we crouch, we have like, we can't control anything. And it will go slow. Echolocate to define, yeah. Left to right, handle keys left to right. And in the if, to put it if else, like in the if, and checking if 0.4 is greater than abs of speed x, and then change speed x by 0.4 minus abs, where is it? Minus abs of speed x divided by speed x. Like that. And then negative 0.4 for the change. and speed x is greater than absolute speed x is greater than 0.4, like that. Yeah. I think now you crouch no. Then you simply make skid smoke. And then else set layer frame to 0 and set speed x to 0. And now it's for testing time. As always, parkour. Now you see when we slide, we don't slide that far now. Wait. Alright, it's not negative 0.4 minus multiply. I guess that makes a big change. Parkour time. Now you see like we still down, like the farther you run, the faster, the more you travel with the speed. I'm just traveling, yeah. Like no, you can also try this down the slopes. I think it will give you some. Yep, it won't. To be honest, you can actually do this. You can just, when you're crouching, just fall off a hill side and yeah, crouch. We still didn't add when we like go under a block and we get stuck. So let's add that. Now find the define handle keys, get up, and in the if tall greater than 0, change speed x by direction divided by negative 200. So now if we just crouch under, like, I don't have a block right now, I'll just squish the enemies on level 1 over here. The testing platform where you can crouch under the mystery blocks. When you crouch under, we just slide back out. But can I just get past at least? I think I need to make more sliding places. And I'll also remove the enemies. Nope. You just need to practice like a lot. I guess I'll just, no. I'll fix this roof later. Nope, we can't steal. I am going to test again because I'm sure you can get it out. Maybe not just so fast. But anyways, this is going so good. Yep, well, this is the end of another tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please smash the like button and click the subscribe button and also click the notification button to view more like whatever games, teaching or coding videos. Well, see you next time. Bye.